With Ukraine's drone army cleaning the battlefield of Russian equipment, they take out everything from non-armored vehicles to Russia's most modern tanks. Seen with this T-80BVM tank having a grenade being dropped inside. While this usually results in an internal fire, it seems to have caused fuel to fill up in the tank and later to be flowing out from below. Making a final grenade to be used to ignite the fuel, destroying the tank in an inferno, reducing Russia's tank force, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.